Quack, quack. Honk. You're almost honking, aren't you? You almost. Are you almost honking? Yeah, you almost honking? You're awful shrill. What a horrible sound you make. Yeah, what a horrible sound you make. Oh no, mosquito! Motherfucker! There was a mosquito. You gotta save me from mosquitoes. Eat them. Oh, Hazel outrun. Hazel. You tried to get her, didn't you? You tried to get her. You tried to get her. Hello. Are you the star? I'm probably gonna get eaten by mosquitoes. Got killed that one, bitch. Hi. Are you my friend? What is that? Are you keeping an eye on that cat?
Hazel, you better move.
Yep. So we went to change the baby's thing in their incubator right there. And it turns out we got some. Look at those little babies. Guineas. They're so tired. Sweet little summer children. The rest of them we're working on coming out, so we'll see how many more we get. Should be all of them, but yeah. Boy, let's see. Just stomping on your fucking sibling over there. He's tired. Get off. Maybe you should like section off of areas so the littler ones can be.
Well, can't do that because the heat's
Oh.
one spot there. I hear you. I hear you.
Little tiny angry creatures. That one. Be Thor. Watch him be a boy. Wouldn't surprise me. Poor little pile of chicks. Good evening, guys. It is now May 30th, Tuesday at 8:27 in the evening. I want to show you guys my pillow. Probably can't really see it from here. Here it is. It's like a pregnancy pillow, but I am a lazy bum and it feels really nice, so. Screw that. I'm old and I got pain, so here's this. And it works really nice. It's actually quite comfortable. Believe it or not. Although, if you were very tall, it wouldn't be all that much comfortable. I wouldn't think, because it's pretty short. But it works for me, because I'm short, so. So yeah, anyway, it's like 8:30, so I think I'm going to go take a nap or wind down a bit and go to sleep. Didn't do a whole lot today besides get allergy shots, thanks to, you know, it being, Tuesday and now I'm in pain, so I think I'm just gonna wind down and go to sleep. So, I will see you guys tomorrow.
Oh, you want pictures?
I want videos of the duckies having a good old time and making you wet. There's a duck in the bathtub. Whose dog is this? It's a water dog.
Water puppy.
It's the water dog. You get wet. You get wet. You get wet. Everybody gets wet. Make sure you get good and wet. Sprayer.
You think you're clean enough yet?
It's like never. Never.
Yeah, think you're clean enough? You'd probably be happier if I just left you in the tub, wouldn't you?
Probably. That's her favorite place.
Lots easier to keep her clean even. I could just whoosh it down the drain.
I got a splash over here.
I'm getting drowned. I'm gonna have to mop the bathroom.
Should have put a towel down. At least. the smacking sounds. You should be clean, hopefully. The water looks all dirty.
Put some bubbles in your bath.
She'd like some peas. She'd like some peas in her bath. Discover one of the pictures that they had posted in the Discord, and it is, recognize something? That's quite cool. I've never seen my art in the VR world. That's really cool, but yeah, so you're welcome, Jay. Anyway,